Hi guys, today we're going to spend a few minutes talking about the median, and we're going to use a visual approach as we did with the mean. And we're still working on the I can statement. I can find and interpret the measures of center. So let's begin. Remember those kids that we represented as towers? Let's do that again. So here we are, and now we need to find the median age. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by thinking about what's the median. The median is the middle age. So I'm going to line up all the kids' ages from youngest to oldest. Okay, so first thing I need to do is put them in order from youngest to oldest. Then I'm going to find the child that's standing right in the middle. So these guys are the outsides. These guys come next, so they're not it. This middle one is the child standing in the middle is a 4-year-old. So therefore the median age is 4 years. The median divides the data set in half. So meaning, from the median, I'm going to have the same number of data items to the left of the median as I do to the right. And in this case, I've got 2 numbers to the left and 2 numbers to the right. Okay? Let me just shift this back here real quick. Sorry about that. Okay. So, it's dividing the data set into 2 equal groups, where from the median, I have 2 children standing to the right of the median and 2 children standing to the left. The median you can think of as like the strip of highway that divides the road in half. That's called the median. So you can think of it that way. It's the middle of the road. Let's look at a different set. Here's another group of kids. We're going to make towers to represent each of their ages. And then we need to find the median of this group. So to begin, I need to put the children in order from youngest to oldest. Then I'm going to find the middle number because that's what the median does. It splits it in half. But there is no number in the middle. But I can still divide the data into 2 equal parts. So the median is that dotted line. You have children to the left and children to the right. But what's the median? What age would come before 5 and 6 years? Well, in this case, it's 5.5. 5.5 comes right between the data item directly to the left and the directly to the right of the center. So between 5 and 6 years is 5.5 years. So 5.5 is the average of the 2 middle numbers, 5 and 6. So another way I can think about this is add up 5 plus 6 and get 11. And if I take 11 and divide it by 2, because I added up 2 numbers, now I get 5.5. Let's look at one more data set. Here are our children again. We're going to represent them by towers. We're going to put those towers in order from least to greatest in order to find the mean. So when I order the kids, here they are from youngest to oldest. Now I need to find the middle number. Again, there is no middle number here, but I can evenly divide the group into 2 equal groups. Now, how do I find this middle number? Well, I need to figure out what comes between 2 years old and 8 years old. So I'm going to find the mean or average of those 2 ages. So I'm going to add up 2 plus 8, which gives me 10, and then I'm going to divide by 2 because I added 2 numbers together. That gives me 5. So the average of 2 and 8 is 5. Therefore, the median is also 5. So let's summarize here. The median is the middle number in a set. You have to have those numbers in order. That's the biggest mistake I usually see, is not putting those numbers in order before you select the middle number. If there happens to be 2 middle numbers, I need to find the average or the mean of those 2 numbers, and that will be my median. So let's do some practice. The median shoe size of a 6th grade class is 6. There are as many students with a shoe size of 6 or greater as there are students with a shoe size of 6 or less. Is that true or is that false? Think about it. Write your answer down in your composition book. Okay, let's see what you came up with. The answer is actually true. Remember, the median divides a group into 2 equal groups. So, if the median size, the middle size is 6, that means there's going to be the same number of students with shoe sizes to the left of 6 as there are students with bigger shoe sizes to the right of 6. Now we're going to find the median of the number of calories in these 5 burgers. Pause the video, go ahead and find the median. Okay, let's see how you did. The first thing you need to do is put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Then you need to pick out the middle number. So what number comes in the middle of all of these different values? It's 510. So 510 is the median number of calories. We are done with this video. You can go back and watch any portion as many times as you need, but don't forget to WSQ in your notes, and have a great day.